Test, test, check 1, 2. You know you need unique New York. You know you need unique New York. Does that sound all right? Ah, that's better. You can always tell something's missing when you get isolated results. Like AI that's only right for one of your systems. Get AI that can work across your data and applications. Learn more at IBM.com. The AI built for business. IBM.
Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for the stay.
Welcome to the Positive Mindset Podcast. My name is Henry Lawrence, and in this powerful episode, we are going to unlock the belief in ourselves. If you are someone that's looking for change, looking to step into your positive energy, your high frequency self, this is the episode for you. And make sure to listen all the way through, because at the very end, we're going to take a deep, healing, meditative breath to help us align on this message and move forward throughout the day. So as you come here today, remember, you are part of something. This is the rising tide. As you elevate yourself, as you take these learnings and implement them into your frequency, share it. Share this podcast if you feel like it would be helpful to someone else, and allow them to see and perceive and receive the world in a different way, because we are growing together. My growth is your growth is my growth. Let's lift ourselves up, lift up the community, and truly be the rising tide that lifts all ships. Well, you are stepping into a new level. This Positive Mindset Podcast, this frequency, this Henry Lawrence that's talking right now is on another level. So if you are here, you are on this next level stuff too. It is time to truly start to believe who you are, to walk with the confidence of a leader, of a creator, of a powerful, powerful being in which you are. It's time to think that you are the best in the game. It's time to believe that you are meant to change the world. It's time to know who you are. We are on some next level shit today, and we are stepping into another level of this game. I know what's within you. I am leveling up. I want you to be around me, and the effect that I have is that you must become better, that you rise up, that wherever we go, you and me, because we're in this posse, we are known for being leaders in whatever it is that we desire to be. It's time to change your world, whatever situation you're in. Write that story, change that timeline, change that frequency, elevate yourself, and become the rising tide that we are here to be. You are a bad person. You've got some killer instincts in you. You've got some energy about you that can move waves, that can move mountains, that can move clouds, that can change the scenery, that can change the game that we're in. That is you. You are that person. You are her. You are him. You are that one. Rise up and show us. Like, this is it. You and me, this is it. We are in this. We are the thought promoters. We are the energy creators. We are the time shifters. That's why we're here. This dialogue, this soundtrack in your head must override the thoughts that you've been having, because, player, we are on the next level. You are freed up to speak up, to enlighten, to step up and become something. Whatever your moment is right now, whether you've been doing this for 16 years, 30 years, or 5 minutes, now is your time to shine. We are on that next level stuff. The Positive Mindset Podcast is stepping up, and so are you. Ride this wave. Walk around tomorrow like you have been locked in for life, and keep that mindset and then lock in for life. Internalize that discipline and whatever it is that you want to be. Don't let the enemy stop you anymore. Anything that prevents you, the snacks, the doom scrolling, the pointless conversations, the hanging out with people that don't bring you up, that is the enemy that has been convincing you that you are equal to them when you are a being that's meant to rise. You are supposed to inspire them so that they change. Stop hoping that they will make it for you. They're not your windfall. The person's not going to come through for you. The situation's not going to change. You are going to level up and become somebody. Like, that's what we're here to do. Level up and become somebody. Times have changed. This is next level stuff. You are a next level person. You have to adopt a mindset. Become this being that is the next level being. You are Henry 2.0. Henry Lawrence is here. What is your name? Say it with confidence. Say what you're about. My name's Henry Lawrence, and I will change somebody's world if they come up to me. If they allow me into their mind, they won't be different, or they won't stay the same. They won't think the same. They won't live the same because they're messing with me, the greatest that can ever do it, and that is you. We are one. We are dialed in. Start putting some swag in your bag when you go out the door. What are you waiting for? I'm tired of not having enough, and so I'm ready to step into the next thing, whatever it is you need. Abundance of belief is the ultimate frequency which will free you. It's time to free you into something powerful. Break the chains, say the words, think the thoughts, become the person, elevate yourself, right? The law of attraction says like attracts like. If you think there's too many people controlling things, if you think there's too many situations holding things, you don't have to defeat them. You just have to become you. Defeat yourself. When you do that, the energies of this reality that we're in are stronger than any person. The laws that all this is creating is stronger than any person. You don't have to bend them. You don't have to confuse them. You don't have to break them. You just have to become the thing that you were meant to be. I'm so fired up because I'm living in a new dimension. I'm never going back. What are you doing today? Who are you going to be today? I'm leveled up. I'm getting fitter. I'm leaner than I was yesterday. I'm healthier than I was yesterday. I'm wiser than I was yesterday. I'm richer than I was yesterday. And no, it's not about the material things. It's about the being that's attracting all these things. I'm trying to inspire somebody to open up and become somebody. I'm trying to inspire you to lighten up so that you can change your view and see something incredible. What are you going to do with your life? It is time. It is time. There's moments where we slow down. And we connect to these moments and we dial in and we have our oneness, right? This moment is important too. But sometimes we got to up the frequency. Remember, your frequency is what you frequently see. So every single thing that you need is here right now. You're just on the wrong frequency, so you can't see it. Somebody that has made $1 million, if they showed up in your situation, they would see the way to make another million. Somebody that has got out of a bad situation, whether it's a relationship, an office situation, a friend situation, somebody that has got out of it, if they were in your shoes, they would know what needed to happen. But you don't, because you don't want to wake up. You don't want to let go. You don't want to break out of the box. Do you not realize the boxes that we live in, the limitations, the prisons that we build around our own minds on what is possible? I've been doing this 5 years. I've been alive for 37 years, and I'm just starting to break out of mine. You see, when you think you know something, you truly don't know it till you realize there's so much more to understand. Right? And I was stepping into the positive energy. I was learning the lessons. I was studying the law of attraction, manifestation, gratitude, and all those things. I was knowing it, but I wasn't on fire in myself. I heard this today, and I thought it was a great thing. A fire doesn't ask for permission to burn. It just burns. A storm doesn't ask for permission to rain or thunder or do things. It just does it. Are you truly you? Or are you asking permission to be you? Just be it, and who cares what people think? People aren't happy when a fire's happening, right? That's a bad thing. People aren't happy when a storm's happening. That's a bad thing. But that bad thing is going to do it anyway. So when are you going to open up the bad thing in you that's willing to show up and do it anyway? Live your life. You're not here to take from anybody else. We wouldn't be aligned right now. This isn't the how to have everything and no one else have anything podcast. This is the rising tide to lift all ships. You're going to level up your family, your friends, your community. Everybody's going to be doing better. You know how much abundance there is in this world? When you truly step into this abundance and you lift up those around you, there is no more lack in that reality, right? Because you have an abundant mindset. It doesn't matter what situation you're in, you're going to find the abundance. If you have a love mindset, it doesn't matter what situation you're in, you're going to find the love in that situation. That's the being that you're looking to be. But along the way, have some money, have some friends, travel, experience the world. This is a life. This is not a sentence. This is a life, so learn to live it, learn to level up, learn to turn into something that you can truly be, something that can truly shift the world, something that could truly be worth remembering. Do you know how many people live the same day? I do, because I was one of them. I am breaking out of that. Tomorrow can't be the same, because I'm not going to be on that level anymore. Burning it, I'm on fire. What are you going to do? I realized to go to the next level, people got to not like me. If I try to make it to where I fit into everybody's box and everybody likes me, there's no way to have true connection to that next bearing, because there's levels to this. And so if you're trying to fit into every level, you're not in one at all. So stop trying to be what everyone else wants you to be and be you. If that means you talk differently, if that means you rhyme when you speak, if that means you speak louder, if that means you think that your job is stupid and you want to move on to something else and it doesn't matter how good it pays and that the situation that you're in is ridiculous and you need to move on no matter what everyone else thinks and that your life has been pre-planned by everybody else but you and it's time to shift and you're going to burn it all down, then do it. Or don't live at all. Take your sentence, the sentence that was passed down by everybody else that influenced you and you didn't step forward. Take it. Take it and smile, because that's where you go if you don't take control of you. We are creators. You are part of something. You are a rising tide. This is the Positive Mindset Podcast. My name is Henry Lawrence. By connection, we can't be the same anymore. By connection, we can't level up. By destiny, we can't stay the same anymore. Let's make something of our lives. Let's shift into something amazing. Let's be the people that we are sent here to be, because, oh my God, it's so beautiful when I see you on this other side. I work with people each and every day, and when I see them start to shift, when I start believing and seeing who they truly are, and they start believing and seeing who they truly are, and they make the shift in their life to where the world around them, the people, the influences, start seeing them differently, that's a powerful gift. That's a powerful experience. And that's who you are if you accept it. If you accept that you've been playing small, if you accept that you've been doing what everyone else thinks you should do, and most importantly, what your own mind is tricking you to do, if you accept it, let it go, turn on the flames, burn it through, and become you, that's how you level up. So what we're going to do is we're going to play with this fire, baby. We're in it now. We're going to take a deep breath. And when you breathe in, I want you to feel the fire within you. The fire that will burn anything. The fire that's powerful. The fire that's ready to clear out so you can show up. And so as you breathe in, feel this fire within you. As you hold your breath, visualize the fire burning down the things that are limiting you. Whether it's the thoughts, the patterns, the activities, the habits, whatever it is, watch them burn. And then as you exhale, feel yourself rise like the phoenix, ready to take on the day. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and take a deep breath in. And out. Burn, baby, burn. We are stepping into that next generation. We are stepping into that next frequency. Tomorrow, let's level up. Tomorrow, let's be something different. But the work starts now. Remember who you are. Remember why you're here. And become the rising tide that lifts all ships. Well, thank you so much for listening. I hope this episode was impactful and gave you a different perspective on whatever it is that you're going through. We must expand this. The mission is clear. We are going to reach 1 million people a month with this very podcast. When we do that, we will be one of the biggest groups in the world. The rising tide, the influence makers, the policy shakers, the world creators. We do that together. So if there's something in here that meant something to you and you share it with somebody, it would mean the absolute world to me. And if you want to dive deeper into these episodes, subscribe to my email list. Do not wait. So many of you think, oh, I'll get it next time, or I'll get it in a few minutes. Do it right now. Scroll down from the episode description, click subscribe to email, subscribe, and you will get an easy to follow exercise email every single day that gives you mindset exercises to shift into this frequency so this can be your life. So this can be your perspective. Remember, your perception is your reception. So tune yourself in. You can also follow me on social media. There's my Instagram and TikTok down below at RealHenryG if you want to follow me there. And if you want to level up, there are 2 ways to work with me right now. We are going big. There is no setbacks. There is no step backs. There is no lower frequency. This is for the person that really raises their hand and says, I'm burning the bridges. I'm all in. I don't want just to have a conversation. I don't want to talk about what things can be. I want to commit to something and be different. I want to make 2026 the next year that is amazing. So I'm going to put in the work now. I want to be in a position where nobody recognizes me. I'm creating a life. I'm becoming the music artist. I'm becoming the millionaire. I'm becoming the father that I want to be. Whatever it is, if you're ready to make that shift, whether it's one-on-one coaching or you're looking for investment opportunities, you can work with me in real estate or we can do one-on-one. But the best way to start that conversation is to my email at henry@vibeabundant.com. So if you're an investor looking for other investment opportunities and you want to work with my positive mindset team, email me about that and I'd be happy to get on a phone call with you, or we can talk about a one-on-one coaching opportunity, the positive mindset blueprint to make the shift. Well, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.